Wala siyang buhok, ano? Wala siyang buhok. Wala siyang buhok. Wala kang buhok. Happy. Okay. Bida.
What? Why are you crying? It's not you naman who have sugat. It's ate, look oh. And now it's time for some family day. Ang daya!
5:30 na! Good morning, kapatid!
Kamusta naman po kayo dyan sa gilid? Okay na ba kayo dyan, mga daddy? Maganda naman ako sa personal. Nasisiyahan naman kayo dyan. Dapat po mga ganyan, no?
Lexi! Lexi! Ay! Lexi! Never for eating the... Ay, sus! You don't like this one?
2, 1, and action. Raffle na! Meron na tayo sa
Miss ako ni Boshi.
Oh.
Tinawag ako, Mi. Ang bait ko ba?
Say hi to the bird. Hi! Hindi nanunuka naman yan. Hindi yan nangangagat. Oh. Lexi, oh. Look at that. 4 months.
Walang buhok. Wala
Ayan,
kang
ganyan lang
buhok.
sa atin, Lex.
Wala kang buhok.
Patawanin mo!
Pugi? Pugi? Ay, pugi. Ano?
Walang buhok. Wala siyang buhok.
Yan, patawanin mo.
Wala siyang buhok, ano? Wala siyang buhok. Wala siyang buhok. Wala kang buhok. Yay! Walang ipin si Santi. Walang ipin. Wala kang buhok. Wala ka rin ipin.
Ayan na si Lexing selosa. Sige, sama na si Lexi tsaka si Sab. O, game, ready. Look here. Look, 1, 2. Ate, lapit pa. Diba? Ayun o, ganun o. Tignan mo yung isa o. Go, ate. Last na. Ayun o. Oh, one more. Yan. 1, 2. One more. Isa. Okay na.
Happy. Okay.
Bida. Gawak mo yung number 4 sa kanya. Sige. Oh, because you're the... Because you're special. Dito na kami. Amo na. Ayan. Hold number 4. Yeah, like that. Oh, let's sing happy birthday to Lexi. Happy birthday, Santi. Happy birthday, Santi. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Santi.
Okay, go.
Yay! Happy birthday, Lexi. Kiss mommy.
Happy birthday. Kiss.
Happy birthday. Ate, kiss ko si Lexi. Birthday daw niya.
Let's eat the cake.
Let's eat the cake na.
Merienda.
Happy. Ayun na, oh.
Ay, no.
4 months na ang baby boy namin. Yay! 4 months na ang baby ko. Ay, sus. Who's that? That's you. The Pogi baby. Happy 4 months, baby ko. Oh, lalapit na naman yung siya.
Yun, nakakaantik ng like,
Are you 4 months? You're 4 years old and then Sandy is 4 months.
No, I'm 4 months.
Ha?
Wala lang. Yun ang regalo ni Mommy. Nagpampa ko for you. Hindi na dumidede si Santi sa akin. It's official.
Ikaw.
Breast pump na lang. No, not this one. Pinamp ko. Pinainit ko.
Ikaw, Sab. Lalagyan
Gatas.
ka. Lalagyan ka.
Gatas ni Mommy for the baby.
Wala pa.
Wow, dami pa na pop si Mommy today. You need to finish it, ah. Okay, wait a minute. There. Ate didn't go to school today. Why did Ate didn't go to school
I'm
today?
injured.
Is Ate injured? Because she doesn't eat healthy food, ano? Right?
Walang connection.
I eat apples.
Is cake healthy?
No.
Oh, why are you eating it?
It's okay.
You have,
Because it's your birthday.
you have a boo-boo.
No, ate, tama na. Oh, bus na agad. Bus na agad. One more. Bago ka mag-burp. O, burp muna, no? Mamaya na. Burp ka muna daw. May isa pang napump si Mami for you. Burp ka muna.
Cereals. You want this one?
Yes. Oh.
Look, Santi will laugh.
Good? Parang hindi naman tumatawa.
Diba? See, what is Ate and Daddy doing there? Balok ko. What are they doing ba?
They are spraying.
Spraying what?
That.
You ask Daddy, what is that ba, Daddy?
Daddy, what is that? No. No.
What? Why are you crying? It's not you naman who have sugat. It's Ate, look oh. She's crying over there. Why? What did you see? What did you see? Tell Mommy, what did you see there?
I see a boo-boo.
Where? Where's the boo-boo?
There. Under.
What? Where's the boo-boo in Ate's legs?
Dito.
Where?
Dito.
And then, why did she have a boo-boo?
Kasi she's kulit.
Oh, you tell her. That's why you're kulit eh.
That's why you're lit.
Don't cry. It's okay. Why are you crying? You doesn't have a boo-boo. It's Ate. Ayun oh, look at Ate oh.
Bakit?
Are you ready
Yes.
for your first ever event?
Yeah. Daddy, is it like today?
It's Lexi Day, so it's just Mommy, Daddy, and Lexi. Pupunta tayo ngayon ng Robinson's Galleria for the 10th anniversary of Kitsuna. Do you guys communicate with your kids? Kasi I think dyan tayo minsan nagkakaroon ng problema eh. Communicating with our kids dahil magkaiba yung era natin with their generation now. Lalo pa ngayon, ibang-iba na talaga. Yung pakikipag-usap natin sa mga anak natin sa hapagkainan is very important. I'm sure kung galing kayo sa pagkabata, yung mga napag-uusapan during mealtime, dala-dala nyo yun hanggang sa paglaki. Who's not 24/7 inside the house, and we feel guilty sometimes that we're spending less time with our kids. Pero we're doing it para sa kanila. And sometimes you think, magpaka full-time mother na lang ako kasi namimiss ko yung ibang milestone ng anak ko. Sa lahat ng mga nanay dito who are working, palakpakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili. Wow, naiyak. Hormones, teka. Hindi. Postpartum 4 months kapapanganak ng story. No, kasi hindi ito madalas na pag-uusapan na minsan yung mga mothers that are working every day, yung mga working in the office, working here in the mall, araw-araw wala yan katabi ng mga anak nila. And then, madalas tutok kayo sa social media, nakikita ninyo yung mga nanay that spend most of their time with their kids and you feel guilty kasi parang feeling mo nga, yung mga importanteng buhay sa anak mo, nakakalimutan mo. They just have to accept kung ano yung sitwasyon na meron ka and make the most out of time that you have with your kid. Diba? You're not doing it wrong. Yan ang sitwasyon na meron kayo, tanggapin nyo sa ngayon, mag-ipon tayo ng bongga, pag kaya na natin iwan ng trabaho, iwanan natin and we spend all of our time with our kids, no? But you're not doing it wrong. Yun lamang po ang gusto naming sabihin sa inyo.
Go, you follow na. Wow! So cute naman! This is the man. job, B. B, good job.
Morning. Daba jing jing. Daba jing jing. Daba jing jing. Daba jing jing. Ay, sus, bumabangon. Higa ka muna. Oh, sige. Ayaw patanggal to. Aga ng ate mo mag-aral. Ang aga ng ate mo mag-aral. What is that?
It's the Bible.
Ah, okay. Basa-basa siya ng Bible. Ng baby.
What's your name?
Lakas ng tawa. Lexi, what do you want to say to mommy?
I love you.
I love you too. Ikaw ate, di mo ako love? Oh, napilitan. Lexi, not too loud ha, because the baby is sleeping. Oh, look oh. He's sleeping oh. Can I see your ring? Can I see? Oh wow, who gave that? Who gave? Daddy. There, over there. That boy over there. He's using cell phone. Di ba bawal ka mag-use ng phone? You also tell daddy that. Oh, look oh. You also tell daddy that. Why you tell daddy why you using and then I'm bawal.
Why are you using?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Why you crying?
Oh, my toy. Wow.
Wow.
We'll play.
Smell it. Put it in your hand. Smell it. It's bango. Not in your body. This is for your hair. The blue one, this one is for your body. This one.
Buddy,
Yes.
I love you with all my heart. Say, turn around and dip.
Where's the one that we will use for your hair?
The red.
The red one. And then the blue one is for
The body.
the body. Which one's your favorite?
The blue one.
Why?
Kasi I love blue. Dito.
Your baby brother will also take a bath with you. Your baby brother will take a bath with you.
Oh
Love
my
your baby
God.
brother.
No.
Look, all of us.
Hey. Nasa
Can
puno
Santi
siya.
also use your ano?
Hmm?
Cutie.
Cutie baby.
There's a toy. Oh.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Santi
Uy.
will also take a bath.
Hello, my students.
Santi's also going to swim like ate. Yay! Uy, Santi, bait si Santi. Bait na
siyang
vagina
ipin.
yan.
Wala siyang
You play with
bubog.
Santi like si Yolo. I said hello. Ay, uy, yung big baby. Big baby naman yan. Hello, Santi. Hello, ate. Hello, Santi. Hello, ate. She wants more champurrado daw. Yummy naman yan. Yummy. Yeah, Tita Nikki, yummy daw.
Yes! Yay! Happy!
Yummy. You like it?
Wow!
Can I put some milk here?
Ate, please po. Like that,
Ate,
diba?
please po.
Can I put some milk?
Can I put some milk?
Oh, there. Yes daw po. Yay! Ate will put more milk on your champurrado there, oh. There! Want to eat na? Here, B. Here.
Oh, there's many.
There's many milk. Here. Here. Ah. Pak, look at that. Oh. Grabe, oh. Akin pa yun, oh. Tagal na niya, no? Matanda pa yan sa'yo. Pero ang ganda pa rin, oh. Oh, Pak. Ganyan. Ay, alam mo yung shirt. Shirt ko rin yan before. Kaling ni Mama magtabi ng gamit eh. Ito, yung damit ni, itong suot ni Lexi, kay Sap pa yan before. So, ladies and gentlemen, let us all meet Miss Nikki Raven. So, nandito kami ngayon sa SM Bikutan kasi katatapos lang ng opening ng Mom's Champorado dito. Dumaan lang kami saglit. And now, it's time for some family day. Habang yung tatay nandun. Okay na?
Wow.
Sabi ko sa'yo, maganda yung ganyang kulay eh. I love my makeup today. Makeup for 4x4. Makeup by Miss Nikki Raven. Lagay ko dito yung link and yung cellphone number so you guys can message her. RDR! No need for light.
No. With my husband.
Subuan mo. Tignan sila no. Ang laki na ng anak nyo.
Yes! Magsi 7 years old na yan.
Sinong kamukha?
Ha?
Sinong kamukha? Kung talaga mag-jowa, kiss nga. Kiss nga, be.
Yeah, sure.
Dali na.
Welcome na lang.
Sige na. Kiss na. Kiss na.
Can you wink? Can you wink like this?
Wink. Like this, oh.
Those two white.
No, only one.
Daddy!
Look at me.
She's not saying bad words. No, she's not. Don't be like that, ah.
Daddy, not me! Daddy, no!
But you're lying.
Few moments later.
Pagod na siya sa live, guys. Pagod ka na ba? Sobra na traffic, wala tayong magawa. Oh, stop mo yung ano. Okay, game. Oh, game. Time for us to play. Only me and Lexi first, and then you and me. Ready? Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3.
I'm mommy, not
Longest
me.
breath. Happy birthday. Ang daya. You stopped already.
You can't stop.
Oh, it's Ate's turn.
Daddy, I lose. Daddy, I don't like to lose. I will go up now.
Lexi,
Oh
lose.
no.
Sorry, Lexi.
Oh, sige. Oh, one more time. You will win na. Maybe you'll win. One more time. One more time.
Who will win,
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Go.
Okay, game. Maybe you'll win the second time. Let's do it. 1, 2.
Mommy, ikaw.
Okay, game. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Oh, Lexi!
Lexi won! Guys! Wow! You won! Yeah, how about ate? Oh, ate and mommy.
Ate, mommy.
Ate and mommy. Who's gonna win? Okay.
Ano yung camera?
No, sa mukha mo. Gusto ko sa mukha mo eh.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday! Bakit? Ano ba yung mukha ko?
1.
Wait.
You need to sing.
Okay, you cheer
Oh.
for me, okay?
Cheer for ate, ah.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday! Ano nakakatawa sa mukha ko? Ano nakakatawa sa mukha ko?
I want to win.
Yeah, you won already.
2, 3.
Happy birthday! Nandadaya pa to. Gagawin niya, taktika niya, hihinaan niya para Para pag gana, You can't win with mommy because I know how to vocalize. Happy birthday. Titig siya. How about Tita Nikki?
No, I don't.
Tita Nikki and mommy. Tita Nikki and mommy. Oh, BFF game. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Not you, not you. You're the winner na eh.
Oh my God! She's the winner! Lahat ng utos ko susundin niya. Sit there. Why are you so bait?
I'm so bait kasi I'm a good girl.
Ah, you're so bait because you're a good girl, not because
Yeah.
mommy has a surprise for you?
Yes.
Yes. Yes na rin. Okay, are you ready
Yes.
for your surprise?
Yes.
Okay, so Lexi, the one I'm going to give you is super sikat today. They're called the Labubu, I think.
It's not.
It's a Labubu toy, I think. You're gonna put it in your bag, and I'm also gonna borrow it from you, okay? I'm
Yes.
gonna put it also in my bag. Mukhang di ko to malalagay sa bag ko. Inunahan na ako ni Lexi. Ngayon. Say thank you first. Thank you, Pretty Quick.
Thank you, pretty quick.
Pretty Quick.
Pretty quick.
Okay. Wait lang before you open, baby.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's open it.
Surprise.
Oh my God. Look at that.
So cute. Wow.
Here.
2 boxes.
Mommy will help you. Mommy will help
There
you.
we go.
Sobrang excited siya eh. The first one, so cute.
It's so cute.
Oh, excited.
So excited.
This is bigger than this one.
This
Let's
one.
see.
Yeah.
This is bigger. Oh my God. Another cute. Oh my, look. Oh my God, ang cute. So cute. It's your baby sister.
That's like a 2.
Okay, this is from Pretty Quick.
Pretty quick. Thank you.
Papasatin to, Lexi. It's so cute. You have 3 babies you can put in your bag. Which one's your favorite?
Ito. Thank you, guys.
Yee. Hello there, Santi. Ay, yung isa. What are you wearing? Ah, because you're going to be a mermaid? Hello, Santi. Hello, Santi Bear. Sa likod. Pak. Oh. You get the pants so you can wear it here inside the house. You play costume, right? Oh, pak. Pak. You hold it na. You hold your dede. Hold it na. Hold it. Hold it. Very good. Okay, good job. So good. So good. Ano tinitingnan mo ba dun? Ha? Takaw mo naman eh. You're holding your bottle. Put it in your mouth. Good job. Put it. Good job. Go put it. Good job naman si Santi. Good job yan. Go. No? What you doing, girl? I want peanut butter toast.
Papa, peanut.
Ano ba yun? Baka di mo alam gamitin.
Open.
Are you sure?
Meron labubulig.
Are you sure you wanna open it na?
Yes.
This is for you ba?
Yes.
I think this is for mommy.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What is this ba? What is this oh? What is this? a big paper box. Say thank you pretty quick first.
Thank you, pretty quick.
Oh, very good. Look, there's a note. It says, cheers to being a good mom and a wonderful wife. I love hearing your voice and I love seeing how authentic you are as a person. Love, Jazz. Aww. Can you say thank you, Miss Jazz?
Thank you, Miss Jazz.
Of Pretty Quick.
Oh, pretty quick.
Oh my gosh, Margaret, so dami naman dalawang book of Lexi. Oh. Wait, anak, I'll help you. Diyos ko po na-excite. I'll help you. Oh, wow. Paano ba yun?
Paano ba yan?
Ah, it's right there. Wait.
Mami, ako na. It's under Labubu. Sobrang excited!
This is Hehe. So cute.
There is
Another Labubu.
So cute! Mami, ako na.
Sobrang excited naman yan. Oh, there's one last. It's Christian Dior, a lipstick, and it's a mini perfume. Cute. Mini lipstick and mini perfume. I love all our Labubus. They're all so cute. Thank you so much, Pretty Quick. Super duper cute. There. You painted this one? Wow, teacher said good job. What is this? What is this one? It's clouds and then
sun.
And then
The well.
the whale. Wow, good job, Lexi. You know you're very good because the teacher sent Daddy pictures. You're an outstanding student for the first quarter. Umalis. Kasi nainggit eh, tingnan nyo. Nainggit. Nakikipagawa ng laruan kay Santi. Ayun oh. That's for baby Santi. You have your own toy. Give that to your baby Santi. Come on. 5:30 na! Good morning, kapatid!
Mama, wala pala yung ano. Para ko pala. Hi, Chair, Papa ka.
Time check, 1:38. So, nandito na tayo sa Farmers Plaza in Cubao. Kanina pa tayo working, like 4 a.m. For Radyo 5, then segue to shoot for Good Morning Kapatid. And now, dito naman tayo raraket. So, ayan o. Nandito sina Ate Ness, our angels are here. Pasok-pasok. Pagkasaling nyo, hindi. Hello, please cleaning lang. How are you, baby? Grabe, may mastitis ako. Kanan.
Masakit yan.
Sobra. Parang, hawakan mo ako. Parang feeling ko nilalagnat na nga ako. Hindi naman.
Mainit ka.
Oh, see? Sabi ko kanina pa ako nagpapahawa kay Mike, di daw ako mainit. Kaya mainit ako.
Masakit kaya yan.
Kanina ko pa ito tinitiis. 4 a.m. pa lang.
Actress and broadcast journalist, DJ Chacha. Ay, hindi. Kulang ang palakpakan. Dapat paglabas ko parang si Ann Curtis ang nakita nyo. Pwede kayong mamili kung DIY na mug or may free omelette. So, dun pa lang panalo na kayo. Kamusta naman po kayo dyan sa gilid? Okay na ba kayo dyan, mga daddy? Maganda naman ako sa personal. Nasisiyahan naman kayo dyan. Dapat tumagal yan, oo. O, diba para kami mga tosino na nagsasayaw? Magkakatawang kaming lahat, except you. Ganyan din ako dati. Kaya lang nasobrahan ako ng kain ng Pampangas Best. So warm welcome to DJ Nicole! Yeah! Grabe!
Isang magandang babae tayong dalawa.
Ganda mo! Bati ka muna sa kanila, na-excite ako.
Sandali sinabi mo kanina, di ba, na bata ka pa lang, tapos parang hindi nagbabago. Siyempre, bawal tayong mabulok, di ba?
Of course, kaya ang fresh mo pa rin ngayon. Parang birch tree lang.
Of course! Isang magandang afternoon po! Robinson sa Easy Mart.
Bakit ba? Tae lang yan. Para ka namang hindi na tumatae. Wait, no, baby ko. Smile na baby ko. Tagtay kay ate. Ay, Diyos. Walang kaalam. Ay, malaglag ha? Walang kaalam-alam si Butchukoy. Butchukoy, tinaihan ng ate ni Butchukoy. Naamoy mo pa.
Smell your tae.
No!
Magpuputi, baby.
Beautiful eyes. Tinaihan mo ako.
Okay, very good. Tinaihan ka ni ate. May tinaihan mo si ate, no? Walang kamalay-malay. It's okay, my baby. It's okay. Hindi nag-leak. Buti na lang. Naka-twins lampin. Hindi nag-leak ang pupo ng baby. Very good, B. Kala mo naman si ate. Hindi natatawa, no? Pagod na siya sa life niya, girl, oh. Pagod na pagod sa life yan.
Chak, 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 cute, cute, cute baby! A cute, cute, cute baby! Kamukha mo to, B, oh. B, oh, kamukha mo to, B. Kamukha mo yun, B, oh. Ayun, oh. Magkamukha kayo, B. Laki na ni Santi. Medium na yung size niya, oh. Diaper. Pero, no rashes ever since. No? Pati si Ate Lexi. Wala kayo rashes lagi, no? Ano? Ano? Asa na si Caleb? Ayun, oh. Caleb! Galing na maglakad doon.
Busy yan, busy.
Hello? Oh, ba't umiiyak na naman? Ano ba yan? Sabina! Ang laki mo na nagpapaiyak ka pa ng kapatid.
Bawal pala kasi mahanap.
Tingnan si Santi naiingayan. Ayun, oh. Naguguluhan. Oh. Lexi! Lexi! Ay! Lexi! Lexi, if you're like that, you're not gonna play na lang. Sige. Oh, come here na.
Ayaw magpakita. Ngayon ayaw din nila makita. Gusto niya makikita.
Kamusta ba masayan nyo dyan, sis?
Why are you crying? Always crying?
Why you crying? Sige, Lexi. Lexi. Lexi, they're not gonna play with you anymore, ha? Kasi iyak nang iyak ikaw. Tawan-tawa yan. Cutie. Cutie pie. Ay, sus! Oh, no! Ay, mano kay Lexi naman to. Bigla-biglang umiiyak naman.
What do you want?
What do you want?
Meow, meow, meow.
Ayaw na niya. Nagsawa na siya. Nagsawa na siya sa laro niyo. Uy, oh. He can now sit in Ate Lexi's chair before. Kay Ate Lexi yan, Santi. Ngayon, sa'yo naman. Sa'yo naman yan, bebe ko.
Mommy, when
Ha?
I'm a baby.
Sa'yo yan. But,
Mommy, when I'm a baby.
yeah, when you're a baby, that's yours. Sa'yo naman yan, bebe ko.
Mag-usap tayong dalawa, bebe ko. Kamusta ka ngayon? Happy ba ikaw? Happy yan? Happy yung baby ko? Ano ginawa ng baby love ko? Anong ginawa mo, be? Ay, sus! Anong ginawa mo today? Anong ginawa mo? Kwento mo kay mami yung ginawa mo. Sabihin mo sa akin, what did you do? What did you do? Ay, ayaw ng English. Ayaw ng English ni Santi. Gusto ni Santi, Tagalog. Tagalog lang tayo mag-usap. Bisaya. Gusto ng Bisaya ni Santi? Unsa man. Unsa man. Tsaka, 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 tsaka. Hello. Hello, hello. Buggy, buggy, buggy. Yeah? Oh. Where are we going?
In the Halloween party.
Party! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Super excited?
Yeah, super.
And?
And mommy and daddy and Axel.
Santi's not with us. Wawa naman si Santi. Mommy, mommy. Yay! Good job, Lexi!
Right, thank you. Without the ball falling through here, ah. Okay. Go! Ah!
Like that, then you're gonna go circle lang, like that. How about you?
Yes, we will see magic happen today.
Go, Lexi! Good job, baby! Wow! Good job! Wow, galing naman ang baby na yan! Good job!
Good, thank you. And this event won't be possible without the help of our sponsors for today. We have White Block.
Can I see?
And all together, sing clap our hands. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Sayaw naman ang happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na. Ilang taon ka na.
Malakas kumain.
Second lap. Diyan na sila shaky.
Tumatalo! Ayop! Dumating lang si Sandy kay tumatalo.
Bakit? Ba't di tumatay?
Eh, andyan yung may birthday. Ayan.
Walang pinagbago, guys. Walang pinagbago. Ingal lang siya.
Say hi, Rory.
Uy, uy. Hello, Santi Bear. Hello, ang dul-dul naman yan. Look, oh. Santi, look here. Hello. Is this you? Is this you? Is this you? There's your baby brother. There, over there. Who's this? Who's this, oh? Who's this, look, oh? Oh. Santi, dal-dal naman yan, eh. Ay, dal-dal yan. Come on, let's eat. You want to eat? Want Want to eat banana also? Or... Oh, ayaw na. Halika na. Oh, here. Look. Look here. This is your... Who's this? Santi. Santi, who's this? Matandaldal. Oh. Oh. Ay, sus. Oh, there's your baby. Oh. How about you? Ay, sus. You talk to Santi. Yum, yum.
Mommy, not me.
Yeah. Look at Santi's face. Look at Santi's face, oh. Oh, Santi bear. Bear, eating na. Oy, sus. You don't like this one? It's yummy, my love. Come on, try it.
Not me.
How about you, Lexi?
No.
Oh, hindi na. Si Santi lang. Si Santi lang. It's for the baby ko. Santi. Eat na yan. Eat here. Ayaw niya. What's your face like that? It's yummy eh. It's yummy. Don't like it. Look at Sandy. How about my baby? Oo. Sige, Santi na lang. Ayaw niya. Santi, ano ba yan? Yan. Ay, gusto mo na, Abby? How about you? Ay, ta. Bekay. Ayan, kumakain.
Nahirapan nga siya.
Lapit kang konti.
Maipit kasi siya.
Oh.
Yung tiyan.
You know? Naman, charap yan. Very good naman. You like it, Bekoy. Look at your thighs. Look at that. Look at that thighs. One more, Bekoy. Oh. Oh. Nagsusumbong. Lawan lang. Ayaw niya, love.
Dito.
Ayaw niya dyan.
Love,
ayaw niya. Ano gusto mo? Ha? Yung matamis? Mana ka sa daddy mo. Ay, last na. Ayaw niya.
latang-lata
Pero ayaw niya. Ayaw niya. Si Lexi na lang, si Lexi.
Kaya mo my love. Ang galing-galing naman ang my love na yan. Kaya niya na yung leeg niyo.
Hi, baby ko. Hello. Hello, my love. Ano? Kita mo na naman si Mommy? Hello, my love. Oh, ba't kakain ka pa niyan? Ikakain na ng kanin.
Tapos na ako.
Natapos ka na. Hindi mo kami inantay.
Hello? Book kayo ng book eh.
Siyempre. Lalayasan namin kay next week. Lexi, Daddy and I going to Boracay, ha? Only the two of us?
How about me?
Without you, babies. You're here at home lang. Me and Daddy only.
No, please.
Why? Lexi, look at Mommy. Why?
I will be alone.
Look at me. Ate and Santi's going to be here with you. And Mama Tess and Papa Cesar.
And Nana?
And Nana, yes. You ask Blippi, how old is Blippi? You ask Blippi. Nahiya siya. You have a new friend.
New friend?
You ask for her name.
What's your name? Angka?
Ang cute naman nila. Thank you, Blippi. Shanti, yolo ko. Shanti. Pak. Oh. Holding hands sila eh.
2, 1, and action.
Raffle na!
Meron na tayo sa standby. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Raffle! 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 Hatid saya ang Paskong Kapatid. Sabi mo sa hatid saya!
Hatid saya!
Ang Paskong Kapatid.
Ang Paskong Kapatid.
Sabay-sabay, hawak kamay, salubungin natin ang sayang hatid ng season. Abangan ang 2024 TV5 Christmas Station ID.
2 days to go!
2 days na lang. 2 days na lang. Yan! Wait lang natin. Yan!
Miss ako ni Bossy. Tinawag ako, Mi. Ang bait ko ba? Yay! Dami nakuha ni Lexi sa trick or treat to. Come on, one by one. You open all the other candy. What will happen if you ubos it by yourself?
I will have
Cavities. You will have cavities.
Nana, open.
Lollipop. What else? You can see. Yeah, like that. Uy, nainggit si Santi. Gusto rin ni Santi. Ikaw, banana sa'yo, ha? Ikaw, what do you want? Bawal candy for Santi, right? Why bawal candy for Santi? Because?
A baby.
Daddy.
What's wrong?
Where's Daddy and Ate? Wala sina Daddy and Ate.
They are jogging.
They're jogging! They're not jogging!
Huh?
They went, di ba Ate's going to volleyball? Volleyball?
Volleyball?
Go, let's see what's inside. Ano meron? Pati si Santi meron. What is this? So many... Oh no, may nalaglag. So many candies. O yung mga candy dati na uso. Like Pikmik. And then this one is super awesome. This is Yaki. Mami na lang will eat this. Pati ako nakakakain ng candy eh. Saan si Ate? Tsaka si Daddy ba?
Sa volleyball.
Ba't di nila tayo sinama? Tell them in the camera, ba't di nyo kami sinama?
Ba't di na nyo kami sinama?
Very good na ito magtagalog eh. Apati-apati. Paano yung apati? Like this. Apati-apati. 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 Ta-ta-ta. Ay, nakita mo na yung pagkain mo ah. Santi doesn't like papaya. Ayaw din ng kalabasa. But Santi likes banana. Banana. Ayan na. Amoy na niya. Sus naman talaga. Oh, go.
Harap ka ba?
Ay, tingnan mo yung tsura ng isa. Why? What happened? You love banana? You love it? Love it? Yes or no? Uy, sarap banana. Very good si ate. Pero doesn't want to touch the banana. But parang di happy. I thought you like it. Ano ba yun? Okay? Wait lang, Santi. Uy. Oh, magagalit pa yan. Tingnan niyo pag di ko na sinubuan. Hilig din sa matamis. Parang si Daddy. Tingnan mo. Tingnan niyo yung ano niya. Legs niya. Sa sobrang lakas dumedi niya, no? Okay, show them your legs. Oh! Ha? Pati. Oh, ayun, nagkagalit. Look, oh. Santi's mad, oh. Because wala na siyang banana. You've had too much, eh. Oh, sige. Ito na.
Why you're mad?
Oh, ayan. Pag sinubuan, tingnan mo, he will stop. Okay? He likes to eat? Like Lexi. Oh, ubos niya, oh. Oh, ubos.
I will make you magic to become you a people. 1, 2, magic.